Discovering the unique element your kid has. Hey mom, dad, though I am your child, but I am a human being completely different from you. You might know a lot about this world, but I know a lot about myself. I want to discover what I truly love to do. What is it that I am good at? And I want you to support me rather than restrict me with your own choices. Failure hurts me the most only when I see that you don't believe in my capability to rise again. A child to his parents. Not all, but yes, some parents are truly very obsessed about what their kids should do in their lives. Put a hand on your heart and ask yourself, how did you feel when you were not allowed to do something that you were good at? When you wanted to pursue that one thing with all your energy? Just because your parents could not relate to your dream, or they were of the belief you had no wisdom to understand the life, or when you were told to pursue their dreams because they thought you will be successful by following their unfulfilled passions. No one in this world wants to be treated like this. As the famous motivational speaker Jay Shetty says, every human being is born with a unique element. So, your job as a parent is to help your child uncover that one element she or he is born with. If you are good at something, it doesn't mean that element was passed on to your child genetically. You might be excellent at painting, but she or he might be best at football. Help your child find that unique thing. I'm also a mom, and let me tell you from the core of my heart, nobody in this world can help your children find their passion better than you. You just have to do one thing for that: give time to your children. That's the only way you will get to know what they're good at. Because I feel a child can never be connected to anyone else in this world more than her or his parents, be it any school, college, or institution. And they need a free and safe environment to explore and discover their likings and dislikings, which in future can become their passion and purpose of life. One day they will walk in your shoes. Make sure they are pointed in the right direction. L.R. Nost. My name is Deepti. I am a parent coach. Through my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Journey of Positive Parenting, I have been sharing many peaceful ways by which we can raise our kids, make them listen to us, and help them become successful in their lives. And the best part is that we don't have to scold or hit them when we use these ways. If you also want to learn these ways of parenting, then come to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. And if you think my videos are useful to you, then subscribe and like. If you have any questions related to parenting your children, you can email me at journeyofpositiveparenting@gmail.com. Thank you and bye bye.